We'll guide you through how to make a Bitmoji with your camera on Snapchat. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you need to delete your current Bitmoji. So go to the top left and click on your Bitmoji, and go over to the top right and click on the gear or cog icon to open your settings. And then what you need to do is scroll down and go and click on Bitmoji, and you want to click on remove my Bitmoji down here at the bottom and click remove again. It's now removed, and then what you want to do is you want to go and click on back like so and go back to this sort of profile page, and here go and click on create my avatar, and when you click on it here your camera will open up and you can go and scan yourself. You can choose the gender at the bottom, and it's now going to go and create 3 options for you. As you can see, there we go, I've got 3 options at the bottom I can go and choose from. You can choose one you like and then press continue, and then what you can do is go make some edits by pressing edit avatar, and you can change all of this and you can do your close at the end as well. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.